Welcome back to Living in the Bay Area. I'm Heather Alarab.
I'm Katie Pratt, and we are going to be exploring one of Berkeley's hottest neighborhoods today and do a little walking tour through this neighborhood.
All right, let's go.
And here we are in Willard Park, which is one of Elmwood's most beloved green spaces. It's a 2.7-acre neighborhood park behind Willard Elementary School, and it's been a part of Berkeley life since the early 1970s.
Playground for kids to go and play.
It was originally home to a church and some private residences. Over time, the city bought the land and they transformed it into this public space. You'll find families picnicking on the lawn, toddlers climbing in the fenced play area, tennis players, and pickleball players rallying on the courts. There are also some basketball courts over there we're gonna visit.
Really
What's
enjoy
the story
this.
of the recycled... Oh, there are human teeth there.
This custom art piece. It's also a seating area.
There's more human teeth.
Yeah.
There's even a community clubhouse which was fully rebuilt in 2025 with modern bathrooms and space for some of the programs and camps that happen in the summer and spring. In the summer, they have movie nights for families. It's not just a park, it's a neighborhood tradition loved by parents, dog walkers, dogs, and playground pros alike. And I say this in some other videos, but the brown signs you see over here are for
Indication of
you're in Berkeley.
Berkeley border. Oakland is green and Berkeley is brown. But also wanting to highlight to the baseball field.
Yeah, empty right now, but lots of space. And one of the reasons that people choose this neighborhood, well, the highly ranked schools, just as other people who seek to be in Berkeley,
The walkability over to Shattuck
and
over here
and to the campus.
and to campus as well. Yep.
We're gonna walk past a lot of these Edwardian homes that were built in the early 1900s. So one thing we appreciate about the architecture in this neighborhood is that, well, nothing looks the same. So you'll see a diversity in styles and a lot of brown shingles, craftsman, colonial revival style homes. And Julia Morgan, as we may have mentioned in other videos, is one of the famous architects of many of these homes, as well as Bernard Maybeck and John Hudson Thomas.
Yeah, then you have your classic, like, single family house around the corner. Can you guess how much that house costs?
We'll do a special on that one, corner of Helias and Derby. Homes in this area tend to be on the larger side, above 1,800 square feet. And for that reason, the median and average home prices in the last 6 months are higher than what you'd expect in some other Berkeley neighborhoods. For example, the average over the last 6 months sold price was $1.945 million, and the median was a little over $2 million.
And it's highly competitive. Of the homes that have sold, they received between 3 and up to 16 offers.
Which way are we gonna go today, KP? Are we gonna go left or are we gonna go right?
We're gonna go right. We're gonna take the right road.
Berkeley's definitely a college town. It has around 45,000 students.
So we don't see a ton of student housing dedicated to students, is what I mean by that, in Elmwood. It's definitely one of the quieter, more residential neighborhoods, but you will see multifamily buildings, duplexes, triplexes, larger single-family homes that are houses to students. Grad students especially like Elmwood because it's more peaceful, walkable, and still close enough to campus to bike or walk.
So this is Garber and College. This is where Mayback High School is. It's also a private school.
Yeah. A lot more student housing.
Over on the corner of Russell and College, there's actually this cute little cafe, which I believe is called Baker and Common.
Oh, I was there last weekend.
Yeah.
I
Great
like
eats,
their
right?
stuff too. And across is Slash.
Oh, I love going here.
Me too. Favorite place for basics. You're getting
Thrifting.
some basics and
Around the
thrifts.
corner,
And it's
yeah.
very tiny on the inside, so you have to dig for your Carhartts or your
Yeah, should we
your
like...
Levi's. We're gonna go over there.
Ah!
You found exactly what you wanted.
Twist my arm for winter.
Awesome.
Yeah, you should sign our petition.
What's
What's it
happening?
for?
they're trying to take out all these small businesses and build high rises.
Oh, yeah, I know. They've already been doing that down at the end of...
Yeah, like sign it.
Yeah.
In November, that's when they approached the school board and talked in
Okay.
the city of Berkeley and try and get them to make this a historic area. because
Yeah.
Yes. Oh my God,
Yeah,
yes.
this is like,
So,
ugh.
because I don't know what style.
So
that
hey,
is.
when you make that video, maybe
We're gonna talk
yeah,
about the high
no, we'll
rises.
definitely talk about it. So this is, make it a historic shopping
But see, the
district.
thing is, what they did was they
Talking to the owners.
Yeah.
Over at Slash and
There's
basically...
gonna be some changes, changes,
Yeah.
potentially,
Trying to build more
in these old buildings, high-rise.
high-rise buildings by buying out these corner shops over here and then over at 7-Eleven in order to create more housing, which essentially takes away from, you know, the charm that is Elmwood.
There's more of Slash.
Hi, how's it going? Oh, these are the pants. Just roaming.
Sorry, of course.
When you're ready, let me know and I will
Yeah.
pull sizes.
Cool.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And then here's Baker and Common.
No worries. Tiramisu, coconut cream pie.
Smells so good in here.
I know, I'm like, I kind of want something. Wine, breakfast sandwiches.
Yeah, I got hungry all of a sudden.
Right.
All right, so we've got tons of small businesses over here. There's our bookstore, literary and garden arts.
Shirts, pants.
Well, they have beginner classes. I didn't know
Yeah.
this was here. This has been in front of my face this whole time. I was looking, there's a scrap night, sunglasses case. I want to know how to do denim.
Right? Denim and leather. You can see like what other people have made in the past. And they sell it at the store too. That's awesome.
Yeah.
I love the different patterns that they have on sale and like the thread. Like, you don't learn this type of skill unless you know, were brought up like my mom. It's by the bay.
Massage oil.
Oh, nice. A little thrifting shop. As
Haven't
well.
eaten there in a minute.
Oh, I love this restaurant. I was here with my mom.
What's your favorite dish there?
Oh God.
Well, tell us about your mom. Sorry. What did you
Oh,
eat when
no,
you're?
I was here with my mom and my aunts a while ago, so it was just
What?
like. It's a wine bar, but it's also like you can like read books and then also buy them if you want to. We should totally go in there.
Oh, we're going in there.
Yeah, we are. Oh, so
And
it
here's
looks like
the
we
chaos.
got some protesting going on right now.
All right. This is a true Berkeley walking tour.
Yes, it is. Yes. One of my favorite chocolate not chocolate restaurants, but
Chocolate places.
chocolate stores is over here.
Hong
It's
Kong.
called
Hong Kong.
Casa de Chocolates.
Ooh, I used to stop here all the time to get donuts
Wow.
on my way to school, and donut holes for my students sometimes.
Yeah.
Ooh, I didn't realize they had cold plunging and stuff here.
Worthy self-care.
studio.
So Casa de Chocolates. We're gonna go in here real quick. It's one of my favorite shops.
All
They
right.
make vegan chocolates, also different flavors. My favorites are certainly the Lilikoi chocolates, aka passion fruit, and they even have like some spicy chocolates as well. But
Nice.
let's get some.
What?
Yeah. So we got what is it? We have the Jamaica ones right here, the rose ones, mango, and then the Lilikoi. And this is a vegan one too. Too sour a little bit for you?
Perfect combination.
We're now just gonna turn it into a food lifestyle.
Fine by me. All right, so after our chocolate, we're gonna walk down some of these residential streets just for a little bit. And I to show you the other side of college,
So right now we're on Ashby Avenue.
which is a major thoroughfare street, and that's why you see this 5 o'clock traffic. The library.
Yeah, the Claremont Branch Library.
The Claremont Branch Library first opened up in October of 1924 in its current Tudor-style building.
And this branch isn't just for reading. Every Friday from 3 to 5, the library hosts the chess club on its patio, which you see here, open to all ages with boards and clocks provided. And there's a teen study room. There are other clubs sponsored here in the Claremont Branch Library. And of course, there's story hour for many age groups. Look at all of these tree-lined streets.
Just in time for fall.
Again, this is Benaview, and this is Webster. Looks like we've got a lift going on. So this is yet another display to encourage voters to show up for the special measure election for Proposition 50.
Across the way.
In the post office. And then we'll cross in a minute.
No way.
Yeah.
Wait.
So we got all this. Well, they're supposed to be redoing the floor.
Oh, it's not done yet?
No, it's not done yet. But yeah, that's our new office over here on College. I want to show the Elmwood
We're
Theater.
overtired, but we fought for change before and we'll fight again. Oh, I love it. I'm like, where did I put my phone at?
Well, there's several.
Oh, stop.
You know this ball?
And we spoke because we know the rest of that damn.
Yeah.
When we spoke up.
Well, so this is from the Holocaust. First they came for the immigrants and we didn't speak up. Then they came for the trade unionists and I didn't speak up. Then they came for the communists and I didn't speak up. And then they came for the Jews and I didn't speak up. And then they came for me and there was no one left to speak up for me.
We're old, we're tired. Yeah.
Every Friday, 5 to 6.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
On. Hey. All right, how are you?
Love it. Elmwood stationaries.
Stationers.
Oh my god.
Are they open?
They aren't.
Right now I do something and then I go there and tell it.
Hi.
So beautiful.
Oh, I've been wanting to come here forever.
We have a ton coming up for October, actually. So there, author events,
Okay.
book clubs.
Yeah. And then,
the cookbook book club that I told you about, we have one happening at the end of October.
yeah, which event is that? At the...
It's wine style. So Kate Leahy is the author of that book.
Mm-hmm.
She also wrote the book Italian Wine
Yeah.
with Shelley Lindgren of A26. But she's going to come and we'll have recipes from her book. Italian wine to pair
Nice.
with it from the actual book, because that's what her book's about, wine style. So it's
How does one sign up for it if they want to attend?
booksociety.social is our website.
Okay.
These events are ticketed. You just
Yeah.
get the tickets on our website.
Awesome.
Yeah, and they're limited capacity because, we do have space, it's a smaller space, curated small space, but
Yeah.
But yeah, and those events in particular are super popular.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you so much,
You're
Sarah.
welcome.
Appreciate
Thank
it.
you. Thanks for coming in.
Yeah.
I love the Art
That's the fun part.
Deco.
We do book and wine pairings, so that menu changes every month.
Nice.
Yeah, we pick a theme each month and then 8 books and wines to go with them. And then our wine's on a little self-pour station. So we say, choose your own adventure. We stick with,
Oh, I love it. Let me get the video of it too. Sweet.
Ooh, this place looks
Yeah, you want to
really-
go in here? Okay.
Yeah, Salty Merchants. Here we are stepping into the old salt merchants. We're very excited to find anything food related here in Berkeley. This is also a woman-owned, Berkeley-born provisions boutique that celebrates bold flavor in a big way. A spicy way, shall we say. As you can see, they specialize in gourmet salts, sugars, teas, spices, sourced from all over the world, each one curated with care. Whether you're browsing for black truffle salt, Jamaican ginger sugar,
It was so good.
or an exotic tea, this place makes everyday cooking feel like an adventure. So stop by 2935 College Avenue to explore, ask questions, and find flavor treasures you won't see at the big box store. A little distracted.
The salts and the rubs and the
little
blends. So good. Making our way back over to Derby now, catching a different point of view of the shops.
Favorite. It's like it used to be a deli in here. And they've got, pick your own pasta.
Yeah.
Yummy.
Yeah, oh, thank you. Cheers! Salud! Ending the walking tour with some of the Italian homemade. Five Little Monkeys! My favorite shop to go and buy my niece's toys. Oh, it's so picturesque. Like the sun is setting over there.
Yeah,
People bustling.
I mean, the bus isn't picturesque.
Nope.
The blocks are a little deep.
So on our Berkeley tour today, we
first were called out by an individual habitating.
person at the park. We signed a petition.
Yes, and that was very NIMBY-esque, but also they made good points. And I think there are
It's taking away from
plenty
the small
of responsible
stores.
ways to create more housing and include businesses that have never owned the building.
Fast brewery crawls, September to October. I'm surprised that look at those eucalyptus trees.
Wonder what their fire insurance is.
I know, right? But I like how cute they've made them.
Okay, we're gonna take a side street just to show you another side of Elmwood, because we're walking back where we came from.
Yeah, because we missed an important place.
Little landmark in Elmwood that is in North Elmwood, which
Yeah.
isn't really a thing, but we're defining where we are relative to the neighborhood boundaries.
So our special spot that we wanted to highlight earlier is the Berkeley Playhouse, also known as Julia Morgan's Theater.
The Julia Morgan Theater sits in a stunning 1910 building designed by Julia Morgan herself, California's first ever licensed female architect. It was originally a church. It's now home to Berkeley Playhouse and hosts everything from youth musicals to professional stage productions. Right on College Ave, it's a true neighborhood gem where history and creativity take center stage.
That's it for our tour for today of Elmwood in Berkeley, California. Join us for more walking tours like this and house tours on our channel. Hit the like and subscribe button below. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye, y'all.